Hi guys, I'm Nad, your hairstylist. In today's video, I'm going to be touching up my frontal and I'll also be styling my hair. If you'd like to see the process, keep watching. So first of all, I'm going to be going in with my cotton wool and my Moko Spirit. I'll be using it to clean my frontal hairline. Next up, I'll be going in with my wipes. I'm going to use it to clean my frontal hairline and the top of my hair to help easing up the hair from past sprays. I'll be applying the Lovebeauty Frontal glue and I'll be using a needle to do that. Not the sharp side of the needle, the back side of the needle, because it's so tiny and it can get through easily more than a rat tail comb. I'll be leaving it to dry before I press the leaves down. Next up, I'll be going in with my edge control brush and my got to be yellow gel. I'll be laying my baby hair, so I'm going to apply a little gel to the already cut baby hairs before I swoop to the side. So after swooping my baby hairs, I'm going to use my got to be spray to set it. I apply a little to my hand and dab it on my baby hair. When I'm done with my got to be spray, I'll be going in with my dryer to make it firm and make it last long. I'll be applying my wax stick on my frontal before I hot comb it down. I'll be using this elastic band to tie down my frontal for the melt. I'll be creating a C curve on my right hand side, which is your left hand side if you're watching this video at the moment. After creating the C curve part, I'm going to be going in with my hot comb for the last time. So now I'm going to be coiling my hair. For this video, I didn't really show how to coil my hair in this video. I already have like 2 coiling videos. So if you'd like to watch the process of coiling your wig, you can refer to those videos. The link will be up in my description box below. So guys, for this video, I use my front camera to film, so it's not that clear as it would be if I was using my back camera, because I needed to be seeing myself as I was styling my hair. So guys, I'll be taking out the band, and this is what my frontal now looks like. My hair is literally looking like it was just made for the very first time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please let me know in my comment section below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. You can also share this video with your friends. Bye, and see you in my next video.